Okay, we are setting the scene. You are an aspiring YouTube content creator and you want to look professional. You have your idea, you know your niche. You're so passionate about your topic. You have no script. You don't know what to say. You don't know how to deliver the message. Now you're a little bit lost. I gotcha. We have so many ideas on our head, and it's very hard to just whip up a script if all the ideas are there. You have to organize your ideas, write them down, and then go over them and group the similar ones so that you can create bullet points. That way, similar topics go together, and when you deliver your video or your message, you're not jumping from one topic to another, right? Or you're just repeating topics. Make sure they're very organized. Like, what's the purpose? What are you trying to resolve? What answer are you trying to give? Or what information are you trying to deliver? Make sure they are all organized. And of course, you have your introduction right at the very top. Now that you have your bullet points, you are ready. That's all you need to print. You can print it on a piece of paper and then just post it somewhere there so you're looking at it. Or behind the camera so you can read it behind the camera. Or you can put it on a tablet or laptop and then you can just scroll through. The good thing about filming your own video is because you can edit, especially if you are also the editor like I am, right? So you can just cut where you have to cut and then just put them together again so that it looks spontaneous. There are many ways to edit your video so that the cuts are not seen, and that's where you put in your B-rolls, your photos, you embed your whatever logos, or just put a title and things like that. Or you can zoom in or zoom out, or do the jump cuts. So all of these techniques are actually out there available for you to use so that your video looks clean, even if you've done a lot of cuts. Now for filming, you can see there's your outline. Before you even film, just relax, breathe. When we are a little bit anxious, our voices are smaller, more shrill, or very soft. So you want to do a little vocalization. You can do some humming, or you can do your me-yo, or do your ha 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 ha. So just a little vocalization here and there to help bring your voice back to normal. And then you can start filming. Film like you know your topic very well because you love your topic. It's your topic. So enjoy the filming process. Just keep going. Even when you make a mistake, just keep going because again, you can always cut and edit. You see, when you're filming in the moment. You feel the momentum. You feel the energy. It's all raw and authentic. And that's what your audience wants to see because you want to relate with them. You want to capture that moment. Sometimes a second filming, a second take, a third take is not as effective as the first. I know that because that happens to me. It's different, right? It's different. That edit. Again, don't worry if you have lots of mistakes or if you have a very short material. Remember, the ideal video, especially for us who are just very new in the YouTube content creation world, you're looking at 5 minutes, 6 minutes, so you're good. Like normally, the taping for an entire 5 to 6 minute episode that I have is like 19 minutes. Something that I filmed for 19 minutes, I can cut down to 4 to 5 minutes. Just keep talking, feel it, and then get the best segments. If you've reached this far, I hope it's because you like my episode. Don't forget to hit like, comment, share, and subscribe. And then that way we can share the good message and all of us can be good content creators because, there's space for all of us in this world. We rise as we lift. I have a free online workshop on July 9th and I'm teaching about self-confidence, how to build your self-esteem, especially if you're building a powerful social media presence. There'll be lots of activities, hands-on, practices, exercises, and I want my energy to also consume you, energy is contagious. So I hope you can sign up. That's free. Go to my jackied.com/courses page and register. Class is limited because I want to be able to mentor you personally. So I'm not going to take a lot. So I hope I see one of you there. Bye for now.